Welcome to Forensics Detectors. Look folks, we have our waterproof carbon monoxide detector. There's the side profile, there's the back profile, there's the other side profile, and it is a lovely small, very robust. It's actually rubberized, so it feels nice to the touch. It's perfect for the following situations: ice fishing, traveling, hiking, RVing. I really like this for the purpose because it's waterproof. I'm clumsy, I'm dropping things, I'm spilling my water, it's raining and I have to use it and take it out of the bag, and you don't have to worry about the environmental factors.